Lindsay here, back with another video. First thing is first, if you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the little bell so you can be notified on when your girl here posts a new video. If you're an old faithful subscriber, thank you for tuning into your girl. Today I have a black glitter Smokey, and this look came out so bomb. If you don't already, follow me on Instagram. I'll put it right here. I did a poll on Instagram of what products to use, what finish my face should be, what kind of eye I should do, and this is the results of that. My Instagram chose for me to do a matte face, a glitter Smokey, long black hair. They picked everything and it came out. I'm not going to keep this intro too long. If you would like to see me get this black glitter Smokey eye, then just keep on watching. Hey you guys, first things first, I'm going to go ahead and start out with my brows. For brows, I use my Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in the shade number 5. I'm just showing y'all how crisp these brows are. Next, I'm going in with my Juvias Place The Warriors palette. I'm taking these two brown shades and I'm just building that into my crease and my transitional shades. Next, I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam Shadow Palette. Out of this palette, I'm taking that color in the upper right-hand corner, the shade Mulberry. It's more so like a burgundy wine color. I'm just deepening my crease with this color because I want my crease to be a reddish, brownish type of shade for this smoky eye. Next, I don't have a black eyeshadow base, so I'm using this Urban Decay Perversion gel pencil, and I'm placing that all over my eye as a base for the black shadow. This pencil does dry very, very fast, which I completely forgot about, but I made it work. Your girl made it work. I'm just putting that all over my eyes so I can pack my black shadow on top so it can be a really dark, smoky black eye. Next, I'm just taking a shadow brush and I am just blending out the edges while your girl trying to blend the edges out. It's a little hard, okay? I'm blending out the edges of that shadow, diffusing it into my crease and a little bit into my transitional area. Next, I'm going in with Noir eyeshadow from the Soft Glam palette, which is the blackest eyeshadow I personally own. I'm just packing that all over my lid and bringing it a little bit into my crease area. And I'm using a dense shader brush. So you can see I'm just literally placing that black all onto my eye. And I'm packing it. I'm patting it onto my eye. Not swiping, we're patting. I'm taking a clean blending brush and I'm just diffusing the ends of that black shadow to soften it up because you don't want it to be too harsh. So I'm blending that black with the browns in my crease and transition. Next, I'm going back in with that fluffy brush that I used for Mulberry. I'm adding a little bit more of that Mulberry color to my transition. I'm just basically going in with all the colors that I use and blending it into my eye just to soften everything up because you don't want this to be a harsh black smoky eye. You don't want to look like you got beat and hit in the eye, okay? Next, I'm going in with my Glow Up Academy Chunky Black Glitter. This is in the shade Scorpio. It's a very chunky glitter. It has reflexes of blue in it, greens, but it's a really pretty glitter. I'm taking my eyelash glue and I'm using that as a base for the glitter. And to place the glitter on my eye, I just use my finger. I'm going to make sure the glue is a little bit tacky, and then I'm going to place the glitter on my eye. Let me know what you guys think of this tutorial so far. Don't forget to thumbs up this video if you're still watching. Okay, subscribe as well. Next, after all the glitter is placed, I'm just blending out my crease to get any fallout glitter that I have that I don't want there, because some glitter did get in my transitional and I want that area to be nice, soft, and clean. Next, I'm going in with lashes. I didn't show you guys, but I'm using the Crayon Case Purple Pack lashes. They're a little bit on the dramatic side. I'm using that. Honey, these lashes gave me a little bit of technical difficulties. I didn't want to cut them, which I should have cut them, but they were just, you know, lashes was not trying to cooperate with your girl. Okay? They was not trying to stay on. Alright, going on to the face, I'm using my Professional. This is their Hydrating Smoothing Primer, which I absolutely adore and love. Let me know if you guys have tried that out. For foundation, I'm taking my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation. This is in the shade 15 Neutral. It looks a little light when I put it on, but I swear it blends in so nicely and it matches my chest perfectly, okay? Let me know if you guys have tried this foundation. Let me know if you want me to do a review on it. It's pretty old, kind of, I think. I don't really know, but this is my second time using it in this look, and I actually love it. See, the eyelash was just killing me. For concealer, I'm going in with my Crayon Case Highlighting Concealer in the shade 15. My Too Faced Born This Way Sculpting Concealer in the shade Butterscotch, and my e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the shade, I believe, Deep Caramel, which is very, very bright. So right now I'm just using the Crayon Case Highlighting Concealer in the inner and outer portion of under my eye, and then in the middle I take my Too Faced Butterscotch Concealer, and I think I dab the e.l.f. concealer on top, just in the inner corner for a more brightening look, which I don't show. I'm going to blend all that out with my handy dandy beauty blender. Make sure you look up so you don't get those creases under your eye. You want to blend, 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 blend. To set my under eye, I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose Setting Powder in the shade Deep Peach. And I'm just going to go ahead and press that in with my damp beauty blender. This really settles the concealer underneath the eyes and gives it a nice, soft, flawless finish. Now I'm just dusting that powder away with a fluffy-ish type brush. Next, I'm going in with my Lancome Dual Finish powder. This is actually a foundation powder, but I like to use it as a setting powder in a sense. It gives me a nice smooth finish. This foundation powder you can wear wet or dry. Dry gives you a more natural finish is what I do. Wet gives you more of like a fuller coverage, but I just needed to dust all over my face and blend everything together, which I did before I contour, which is a big mistake. I don't know what I was thinking, but now I'm going to contour with my Black Opal foundation sticks. This is in the shade, I don't really know, but it will be in the description box because everything that I use will be down below in the description box. I'm just going to go ahead and contour my nose as well, and then I'm going to blend everything out with a beauty blender. Next, I'm going to go in with my Crayon Case, the blush binder. I'm taking that dark brown shade and I'm just using it to set everywhere that I cream contoured. And then I'm also going to take this palette and use it as a blush as well. I'm going to take these two shades right in the middle on page 1. It's like a pinky and a burnt orange shade. I'm going to mix those two together, and that's going to be my blush. And we're going to top a little bit of blush onto my nose. I swear it is a game changer, y'all. If you don't add blush onto your nose, then I don't really know what you're doing, okay? Next, for my under eye, I'm going to go ahead and use that same Urban Decay pencil that I use on top of my eye as a base. I'm using that in my waterline to give me that dramatic, smoky eye look. Next, I'm going to go ahead and use this setting spray. This is my first time using it. This is the new Benefit setting spray. I don't really know how I feel about it, honestly. It's very light. Like, look at my face, y'all. Look. That's how I feel about it. Moving on to the lips. I'm going to use my Sephora Rouge Gel Lip Liner in the shade Molasses, which y'all know. If y'all know, y'all know. This is my favorite lip liner pencil ever. Very brown, very creamy, very pigmented, like the best. I'm going to go ahead and line my lips with that. And then I'm going to go in with my Crayon Case Matte Lippie in the shade Marie and top that all over my lip. And yeah, that's really gonna be the look, guys. I hope you all have enjoyed this tutorial. You guys are gonna see in the next couple of clips the finished look. But yeah, if you haven't, go ahead and subscribe to my channel because you made it all the way to the end of the tutorial, and I know y'all feeling the vibes. So you know, go ahead, hit like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks, guys. So this is the final look. I hope you all have enjoyed this look as much as I have enjoyed bringing it to y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Please follow your girl on all my social media sites. I'm going to link them down below because your girl is real active on there when I'm not up here on YouTube. Check out my previous video. I'm going to link it right up above in the cards. If you would like a tutorial on this hair, please let me know because she is a synthetic wig and I did make her last night. But ain't no thing to make a whole nother one to show y'all. So, but yeah, guys, thank you for watching and until next time, bye.